Hi, welcome back to Bytes Route. In this video, I will show you how to duplicate a product tour. Duplicating existing product tours is useful after creators have tested a tour in development or non-production environments. Duplicating content from these environments to production avoids recrafting and saves time and effort. Let's see how to duplicate a tour. Go to Dashboard and then to the Product Tours section. Within the More section, click on the three dots of the tour you want to duplicate and select Duplicate Tour. Clicking on Duplicate Tour will display a modal window where the creator is prompted to type in the new URL of the tour. Enter the URL of the tour you want to duplicate, then click the Duplicate button. After doing this, you will be redirected to the tour you created. Here you can see the analytics for it and customize the product tour. You can choose how the tour will run, the UI theme, the language, and also the step descriptions. Check out this video to see how to customize your product tours. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any further questions, reach out to us at support@bytesroute.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Bye bye!